Hi and welcome. Hi. Hi. Hello. Tina Bear. Tina Bear. Tina Bear. Tina Bear. Go Tina. Go Tina. It's Tina Bear. Quiet on set. Hi and welcome back to Bear Food Kitchen. My name is Tina Bear. If you are new to our channel, hit the subscribe button, like, comment, hit the bell so you get every recipe every Sunday. Today we are making a delicious lava cake. And yes, we're making it in the Instapot. It is super delicious, super easy. If you want a romantic, quick dessert for you and your honey, or it's a special occasion, I recommend this lava cake. It's super easy. The first thing we're gonna do is I took 4 ounces of chocolate and a 1/4 cup of butter, and I melted it in intervals in the microwave. So use a microwave safe bowl. And to that, we are going to add a little bit of instant coffee. So delicious. And we are going to add 1 egg and 1 egg yolk. And we are just going to mix it in. If you have a whisk, it's always good to whisk it, make sure there are no lumps. If I had a whisk. Is that a song? Oh! I do have a whisk. I'm gonna whisk up the egg and the chocolate. That is so much better. I love it. Then we're gonna go ahead and take some powdered sugar, and we are going to sift it into our mixture. And this is gonna take all the lumps out because you don't want it lumpy. You want it nice, creamy, smooth. Just gonna tap it. I'm gonna break up some of the lumps. Just like that. And I'm gonna leave a little bit of it for the topping. Do a little more. This is what's gonna give it the sweetness. We're not gonna add any other sugar, just the powdered sugar. Just like that. Perfect. We're gonna mix it in. This kind of cake, I think, is always best when you do it by hand. So it comes out nice and creamy and ooey gooey in the middle. It's so delicate. Who would thought that you could make a cake in the Instapot, right? Well, you can. Then we're gonna add some vanilla and a little bit of salt. Just like that. And this is where the flour comes in. We're just gonna pour the flour in. And gently mix in all the ingredients until the flour is incorporated. Now you don't want to overmix, just like that, just until it's combined. I put a trivet in the Instapot. We're going to add a little bit of water, 1 cup. So we are going to divide this mixture evenly. half for this guy. Just want to make them even so they are both ooey gooey, delicious. What the heck? I'm gonna get everyone in the pot, just like that. So they're divided equally in the little ramekins, and then you are going to set it on the trivet. Now I doubled the batch, and I've made 4, so 4 of these little ramekins do fit. If you are going to have company over, it's a nice dessert for everyone, and it's so easy. So then you're just going to go ahead and put the lid on. You're going to seal it. We're going to set it on high pressure for 8 minutes, and that's it. We're going to come back. I'm going to put some powdered sugar on it and maybe some strawberries. And I'm going to enjoy it. I'm going to eat the whole thing. So the time is up, and we quick released all of the rest of the pressure that's in there. Cooked it for 8 minutes, and they look amazing. So you want to be very careful. They're super hot. Use a little hot plate or a hot pot holder. A hot pot holder. Use a hot pot holder. Here we go. I'm going to just do one. Oh my gosh. Can you see it? Look how beautiful that is, right? It's delicious. And you don't need to cover them when you bake them. When you steam them. So we're going to go ahead and we are going to invert them. Turn it over. Give it a little bit of a tap. Can't hold it. It's too hot. Can't touch it. Can't do it. What? Is that beautiful? Yes, it is. Oh, yes, you are. And then we're going to put a little bit of that leftover powdered sugar. Oh my gosh. Your baby is going to come home and he's going to say, "Did you spend hours in the kitchen?" And you're going to be like, "Yes, I did." Or, "No, I didn't." I'm going to put some strawberries on it. Because who doesn't like strawberries? And some ice cream. Your favorite ice cream. Mine is vanilla. And I'll just do a little. What? Is that beautiful? It's so beautiful. Let's do the test. And it is ooey gooey on the inside. Can you see it? Look at that. Oh, well, let's go ahead and take a bite, you say. Okay, I don't want to disappoint anybody. Hot. It is ooey gooey and delicious. Let me know what you think. This one's mine, but there's another one in there. Let me know what you think. Please subscribe, like, comment. We'll see you on Instagram and on Twitter. Bye.